Okay, so in this video we're going to just show you some different types of prompting that you might use when teaching a child to feed themselves. So Nikki is my child today and she's sat in her high chair. We're just going to pretend she's got a tray in front of her, and for this exercise I'm going to stand behind her, but it might be more appropriate when you're teaching a child to do it in front or to the side. Okay, so the strongest prompt that you can give a child is physical prompt, and it's a hand over hand prompt. So I'm going to take a hand, I'm going to physically put the spoon in her hand, and I'm going to give a hand over hand to hold it, and I'm going to say the verbal prompt also as Nikki, eat. I'm going to help her do that. Once she's confident with that and you can tell that she's able to hold the spoon on her own, you might reduce the physical prompting to a wrist prompt. So I'm still going to put the spoon in her hand, she's going to grasp it herself, and I'm going to just hold her at her wrist and guide to her mouth, and I'm going to say, Nikki, eat. And then it might be that she starts picking the spoon up herself, but she just needs still a little bit of guide because she's like all over here with the food, but I'm just going to sort of guide her at her arm this time to her mouth. Nikki, eat. And then, again, to reduce the amount of physical support, you might prompt her at her elbow. So she's picking it up herself now. And again, I'm still going to guide her. Nikki, eat. And then you might move to a shoulder if you need to still. Nikki, eat. You might just need to tap her to remind her, Nikki, eat. Okay. Once she's confident with that, you might start doing some gestural prompting. So this is giving her a little bit less help. So it might be just to say, Nikki, eat. You're just tapping her to get the spoon. Nikki, eat. Or you might point to the spoon and say, Nikki, eat. You might point to her mouth. Once she's doing it with a gestural prompt, you might take the gesture bit away. This is where you need to sit on your hands and watch what your eyes are doing as well. And you might say, Nikki, eat. And something you might use is an eye point as well, which I was doing there. I was also looking at the spoon as well. Okay, well done, Nikki, you've fed yourself.